In addition to the studies previously discussed, we have three more that my group and I used during our replication. The first one is by Baswell, Knight, and Springs in 2013. This study was conducted with an 11-year-old, so there was one participant, and they used a device named Motivator. And this device is a pager sized device that vibrates to prompt the participant to record if they are on task or off task. And the device can be programmed on a fixed or variable schedule. So the study was conducted again with the 11-year-old, and the results indicated that the participant increased the percentage of time that he remained on task. In addition, he demonstrated the ability to self-monitor, and there was a 100% increase in the fluency of math, which was one of the targeted subjects, and from the beginning of the study to the end. Then we have the second study in this slide. We have that was conducted by Rosenblum, Willis, Mason, Huffman, and Mason in 2019. This study used the same device that we used, application. They used the iConnect application in order to see if the individuals would conduct self-monitoring and if they would increase the time that they were on task. So the study was conducted similar to the original study that we had, and the results indicated that 4 out of 4 participants demonstrated an increase on task behavior, and 2 out of the 4 participants improved their disruptive behaviors. So it was really neat to see how that one was very close to what we were doing. Finally, we have the purpose for the fifth article, and it was conducted by Alday, Bush, Ticknor, and Walter in 2019. And the purpose was to see if using teacher greetings would increase the speed in which participants demonstrated task engagement. So the participants were 3 students that were high school level and 1 junior high. They were selected by their teacher because they were not engaging in task at the beginning of class. During the intervention, the teacher would go ahead and engage in a greeting that included their name and something positive, like, for example, "I'm really glad you're here." And after this, the result indicated an increase on task engagement for all participants. So the latency in which the individual would come in and start on task behavior reduced. So it was great results to see as well.